and completed BE Computer Science in Princeton Engineering College. My native is Vellore. I joined the QSPIDER in Feb month. It was wonderful and a wonderful journey in QSPIDERs. I learned Java from Nandish sir. He taught me so very well, and his concept are very understandable, and for me it is very easy to learn from Nandish sir. And I learned WebTech from Tamil Selvan sir. He gave me so many tasks, so it is very helpful for me to understanding WebTech. And I learned also SQL in Sangeet sir. He taught me very good, and I understand SQL better understanding on SQL. And then thank you for QSPIDERS Chrompet branch and all the staff who helped me to clear this interview. Thank you.